July. Sign up now at beta.apple.com and we'll let you know when you can download it.
Yeah. What's up, Minu, Mrinal, Mandar?
All of our users this fall is a free upgrade across all of these devices. That is iOS. Now I'd like to hand it back to Tim. Thank you very much.
Tim Cook's coming back. Hang on. You gotta hear this.
Thanks, Craig. iOS 10 is fantastic, and it's an enormous release. I couldn't be more proud and more excited about the incredible advancements across all of our platforms. Now, as we said earlier, an important part of making these platforms so capable is our developers. We believe it's crucial that we provide the best tools so you can create the best apps. That's why we created Swift. Swift is a powerful and intuitive programming language for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. And writing Swift code.
All right, Tim Cook's up on stage, and I thought I should do a live for you guys because, as you can see, Timothy Cook, the CEO of Apple, is live at Worldwide Developers Conference 2016. And it's a pretty big deal. हर साल जब Worldwide Developers Conference होता है. Oh, by the way, hello. This is Gadgetwala. And sorry for this late night edition live session. But I thought it's a great way to sort of summarize a day जो एक बहुत ज़्यादा hectic day रह चुका है in the world of technology. So every year, there are basically 2 or 3 events that Apple does. September is the Apple iPhone launch event. So iPhone 7 जो आने वाला है वो September में होगा. And June 13th to 17th is the Worldwide Developers Conference that Apple does, where basically all the incredible developer community gets together. They jam with Apple and the Apple management. Tim Cook, who's the CEO, who's up right now. It's going on live. They basically showcase, a bunch of cool new features, which are typically software upgrades and new developer kit versions, new codes and things like that. And so it's a lot of fanboys, it's a lot of media, it's a lot of developers. And it's interesting, software ke lihaaz se, to see what is the way ahead. But not just Apple, there's been some very, very big news from the camp of Microsoft. It bought LinkedIn for $26 billion US, all cash deal. And of course, uske baad Microsoft ne also E3, which is the gaming convention jo ho raha hai, usme apna brand new gaming console dikhaya, which is E3, which is Xbox One S. That's going to come this fall, around August. But we're going to talk about Worldwide Developers Conference and what are some of the biggest updates here. If you see Apple जैसे अपने हार्डवेयर का इकोसिस्टम बढ़ा रहा है, वो दायरा जैसा बढ़ रहा है, it's going beyond just Apple iPhones और iPads और MacBooks. इनफैक्ट आज बहुत ही क्लियर तरीके से टिम कुक एंड उनकी टीम ने एप्पल के एक चीज़ बड़ी साफ कर दी है कि 4 बड़े कैंप होने वाले हैं ऑफ एप्पल गैजेट्स. No, of course not, Sagar. The iPhone 7 launch is never done at a Worldwide Developers Conference. It's always done at the September iPhone event. This is a developers conference, which is all about coding, brand new operating systems, upgrades to existing operating systems and things like that. कोई हार्डवेयर ज़्यादातर लॉन्च नहीं होता है यहाँ पे हार्डवेयर के लिए. It has different events. And there has already been an Apple event this year जहाँ पे iPhone SE launch हुआ था. Correct? Yes, Amir Birawala, Nokia is already separated from Microsoft, and Nokia is going to come towards the end of the year in a partnership with HMD Global. 3 companies have come together, Foxconn, HMD and Nokia, and साल के अंत तक Nokia के smartphones दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा. Swapnil Mane साहब नमस्कार. So I'm wrapping up some of the biggest highlights of Apple Worldwide Developers Conference 2016, which is happening in San Francisco right now, and it's going to go on for the next 3-4 days. Apple iPhone 7 नहीं लॉन्च हुआ है, सितंबर में लॉन्च होने वाला है. ओके, सो एप्पल ने बताया कि उनके जो तमाम हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर की चीजें हैं, हे शंकर, इज गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड अंडर 4 कैंप्स, 4 अम्ब्रेलास. सबसे पहले है मैक ओएस, जो अब तक OS X 15 सालों से उनके मैक कंप्यूटर्स में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता था इस्तेमाल, उसे OS X वर्जन कहा कहा करते थे OS X Snow Leopard, OS X Mountain Lion या जो भी है. Now it's going to be called Mac OS. So it's a brand new name and also brand new features. Mac OS Sierra is the brand new version of Mac operating system and a ton of new features have come. लेकिन उसमें सबसे बड़ा impactful feature है कि उनका जो artificial intelligent क्या कहते हैं digital assistant, voice assistant है, that is now coming to the MacBook range of computers, and that I think is an absolutely Chumeshwari development. Woohoo! Yeah. You see, voice assistants are really going to pave the way for artificial intelligence, for information on demand. आपको बस बोलना है and वो information आपके उंगलियों पे भी नहीं, आपकी जुबान पे available होने वाली है. It is about time Apple did that really, because Google is really trying to push OK Google across their devices, and Microsoft is doing that with Cortana. In fact, the reason to buy LinkedIn, a lot of industry pundits are saying, is really. Thank you so much for appreciating my Hulk. He likes appreciation. He grows green with love and envy and rage and everything like that. Yeah, I want iPhone 7. Yeah. That's what Hulk seems to be saying. Sorry. But right now, Apple iPhone device users or iPad users and iMac नहीं, iPod users के लिए तो OS 10 अपडेट आने वाला है. जुलाई में इसका जो बीटा है वो अवेलेबल होने वाला है डेवलपर्स को. So that is the timeline, and fall, which is about August, September, which is when the new devices come. September में जो नया iPhone 7 आएगा, that will come loaded with iOS 10 and all the cool new features. Hello everyone. Hi Shashank, hi Rahul, hi Meenank, hi Akshay, hi Chetan, hey Rohit. Hi everyone, to all you amazing people who've joined this late on my live stream. So like I was saying, so Mac OS is the brand new name of operating system for the computers, and Mac OS Sierra is the first new version, and the inclusion of Siri voice assistant on the MacBook is really a big deal. Also lot of cool features जहाँ पे आपका phone and आपका Mac computer, they're all going to be talking to each other. Not just their Mac OS, the other 3 other operating system जिसके अंदर नई चीजें अनाउंस हुई है. सबसे पहले है Watch OS, which is their Apple Watch. उसमें Watch OS version 3 अनाउंस हुआ है. Then TV OS, which is the Apple TV, जो इंडिया में अभी तक आया नहीं है, ये सिर्फ US की बात हो रही है, तो उसका नया वर्जन आया है. And third is obviously iOS, जो हमारे iPhones पे हम देखते हैं. iOS का 10 version यहाँ पे दिखाया है. iOS 10 में one of the latest features that they showed is, of course, they did focus, however, Tim Cook के पहले जो आए थे, I don't remember his name, they did talk about a lot of encryption, end-to-end encryption. Remember FBI को लेके अमेरिकन मार्केट में जो बहुत ज़्यादा बवाल हुआ था एप्पल आईफोन को लेके, बिकॉज इन वन ऑफ द अनफॉर्चुनेट टेरर अटैक्स दैट हैपेंड इन यूएस, वहाँ पे एप्पल आईफोन इस्तेमाल किया था, एंड बेसिकली वो जो बवाल हो रहा था, एप्पल स्ट्रेस्ड इट अगेन एंड अगेन दैट हमारा जो सारा इंफॉर्मेशन होता है, जो एक्सचेंज होता है iOS के डिवाइसेस पे, वो सारा एंड टू एंड एनक्रिप्टेड होता है, सो दैट नो वन कैन रियली सॉर्ट ऑफ decrypt your data. Shashank, yes, Apple has learned so much from Android and other things and other places. Yes, OS X is equal to Mac OS. Karan Kapri, that's absolutely right. Thank you so much. I also like these specs a lot, Rohan Sahu. Thank you. Yes, so iOS 10 is out. OS X has become now Mac OS, Mac OS Sierra, Watch OS का नया वर्जन है, and TV OS का नया वर्जन है. तो 4 नए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स पे काम कर रहा है एप्पल. दिस इज एक्चुअली क्वाइट डिफरेंट कंपेयर्ड टू गूगल, जो एक पूरा कोहेसिव कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इंटरनेट बैकएंड तैयार कर रहा है, ताकि इट डजंट रियली मैटर आपके पास कौन सा डिवाइस है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक यूनिफॉर्म ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, एक यूनिवर्सल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, जो सारे गूगल एनेबल्ड डिवाइसेस पे काम करेंगे, फिर चाहे वो एंड्रॉयड फोन्स हो, टैबलेट्स हो, क्रोम ओएस हो, या फिर एनीथिंग एल्स. इट्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंट अप्रोच एप्पल का, कि वो अपने हार्डवेयर के मुताबिक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है वो डिसाइड कर रहा है और उन्हें डेवलप कर रहा है. एंड आई मीन, इट्स अ क्लीशेड सेंटेंस, बट ओनली टाइम विल टेल which which approach is the real approach. Tim Cook is back on stage. Let's just see what he's talking about.
The way kids learn to code. So we're releasing it with the developer preview today.
Okay, there's developer previews. Like I said, it's about, it's a developer conference, right? Worldwide Developers Conference. So, iMessage copies Allo app of Google. That's right, Karancha. A lot of cool features of Allo app. Well, I mean, these things, it might appear like Apple is copying, but frankly, जब कोई नया सॉफ्टवेयर फीचर लॉन्च होता है, उसके ऊपर काम एटलीस्ट 12 से 16-18 महीने पहले से हो रहा होता है. So, it might appear that they are launching close to each other, but really work on that would have begun a year and a half ago. So it just coincides with each other. Which is my favorite phone right now, Rohit Arora. Wow. Flagships की अगर बात करें तो Apple iPhone 6s, 6s Plus and Samsung Galaxy S7, S7 Edge. There's no unified operating system right now, Vinayak Maharshi. Does Apple have any project like Tango, Rohit Arora? Not really, जो environmental या spatial scanning feature Google के project Tango में है, जो Lenovo के Fab 2 phone में आया है. There's no one really in the world who has that except for Google and Lenovo, who's their OEM partner to launch the Fab 2. Yes, Chetan, the OnePlus VR set is with me already. In fact, I posted a picture on my Facebook page, Gadget Wala Ankit Vengurlekar. I have the VR set and कल global release होने वाला है OnePlus 3 का. We're all really looking forward to that. Is iMessage coming to Android? Apurv Garg, not really, because iMessage is a proprietary messaging application for Apple iPhones. उसमें बहुत सारे नए features हमने देखे. iMessage में अब emojis की size वो कह रहे थे कि अब 3 गुना ज़्यादा बड़ी हो गई है, as if we need a lot more bigger emojis in our life, but that's available. There is Snapchat जैसा एक feature जहाँ पे invisible ink होता है and you type something and in a few seconds the ink disappears, it just vanishes. And of course अब आप handwritten messages भेज सकते हैं on this, and it's pretty interesting जो iMessage के cool नए features हैं. But new hardware तो कोई announce नहीं हुआ है. Worldwide Developers Conference में brand new software for the Apple Watch, for Apple TV, iOS 10 for all iOS devices and Mac computers के लिए Mac OS X का अब नाम Mac OS हो गया है, and Mac OS Sierra is the brand new version. Like I said, the other big news in the world of technology आज की तारीख में ये थी कि Microsoft ने LinkedIn, ये जो business, actually not business, ये जो प्रोफेशनल सोशल नेटवर्क है, इसे खरीद लिया है in $26 billion. And the big deal of this is $26 billion के लिए खरीदा है, which is a lot of money. But really the what do you say, फ्यूचर में ऐसा हो सकता है. एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने एक्चुअली एक फोटो अपने स्टेटमेंट के साथ, प्रेस रिलीज के साथ रिलीज किया था, जहां उन्होंने दिखाया था कि कैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डिवाइस के ऊपर से या लैपटॉप के ऊपर से आपको पता चल जाएगा कॉर्टाना, जो स्मार्ट असिस्टेंट होगी, आर्टिफिशियली इंटेलिजेंट वॉइस असिस्टेंट जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की है, वो बताएगी आपको कि भैया आपकी मीटिंग लेट्स से करण कापरी के साथ है, एंड करण कापरी फलाना स्कूल गए थे, डिमकाना कॉलेज गए थे, करण कापरी के साथ आपने ईमेल पे या फेसबुक पे या फलाना डिमकाना एक्सचेंज किया है, करण कापरी और आपको लेट्स से एक क्रिकेट टीम या एक फुटबॉल टीम पसंद है. सो यू हैव सम what do you say, you have some common ground to have a conversation. ये ना सिर्फ एक पर्सनल या फिर प्राइवेट लाइफ में, बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल है, अगर आप एक सेल्स पर्सन है, तो आप जिससे मिलने जा रहे हैं उस कंपनी के मैनेजमेंट के बारे में, टीम मेंबर्स के बारे में जानकारी होना, ये आपके लिए बहुत ही कीमती इंफॉर्मेशन साबित हो सकती है. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली वॉट Microsoft is hoping to do. The real investment for Microsoft in LinkedIn is because they want to create a much more feature-rich Microsoft Office package, a much more feature-rich Microsoft operating systems for businesses and individuals. And इसमें Cortana और इसमें LinkedIn का जो पूरा professional network है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम आने वाला है. And last but definitely not the least is the hardware launch that Microsoft has done at E3, which is the world's largest gaming convention, console gaming convention. वहाँ पे the big new hardware news today was that Xbox One S, which is the upgraded version of Microsoft's Xbox One, that has been launched. लगभग $400 का है, 2 terabyte हार्ड डिस्क वाला वर्जन, 40% स्मॉलर है, 4K resolution support करता है, and it's just a way cooler gaming console. I am not a gaming console person. I have never really bought a gaming console. But for people who are excited, I'm guessing it's big news. Is it a big news for you? Are any of you big console gamers? Write in the comment section if you are excited about Microsoft Xbox One S. Yeah, okay, let's see your questions now. Jay Handa, Xbox Scorpio announced. All right. Ajit, I love BlackBerry, but I want to switch to Android. BlackBerry Priv is best option. Yes, it is your best option right now. Jai Maharashtra Ankurwani, Moto Z expected price, abhi kuch pata nahi hai. Rohit Arora, what innovation do you want to see in phones? I want to see batteries that last for weeks, if not months. Diwali pe launch hua iPhone 7 Chetan, bilkul. LinkedIn brought by Microsoft. Karan, yes. Will OnePlus 3 be a great phone to buy? Namo Chalani launch तो हो जाने दो, but जो संकेत दिख रहे हैं वो definitely अच्छे लग रहे हैं. After OnePlus 2 का lackluster performance, I liked OnePlus X, but OnePlus 2 इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं था. Where is my MI5? Chetan, I did not buy the MI5. वो कंपनी से आया था, कंपनी को वापस चला गया. Apple is dominating market already, but Apple is not inventing new after Steve Jobs. Paritosh Singh, I'm not sure अगर आप ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स उनके जो सेल्स हैं, ऑफ कोर्स पिछला क्वार्टर पहली बार था कि उनके हार्डवेयर सेल्स कम हुए हैं, बट सम ऑफ द नंबर्स दैट टिम कुक शेयर्ड व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड द वर्ल्ड वाइड डेवलपर्स कॉन्फ्रेंस वर माइंड ब्लोइंग. 20 मिलियन से ज्यादा एप्लीकेशंस हैं एप्पल के सारे डिवाइसेस पे. रिमेंबर स्टीव जॉब्स वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड जिन्होंने एप्लीकेशंस या स्मार्टफोन के ऊपर एप्स इस्तेमाल होना ये इजाद किया था. एंड दैट बिजनेस, दैट इकोनॉमी, Apple alone has paid out $50 billion to all their developers all over the world, and that is an absolutely crazy amazing fact. What do I think about modular smartphones? Moto Z, Project Ara, these are amazing technologies, Gaurav. And frankly, if we want to look after a planet, तो फिर ये थोड़े ज़्यादा environmentally responsible भी हैं, because you don't have to keep buying a new phone every 6 months or 12 months, and you can keep changing modular parts of the phone to get a brand new hardware feature. iOS update coming in iPhone 5. We don't really know कि backward compatibility कितनी होने वाली है, but वो सितंबर के करीब पता चल जाएगा. Please take a pause, have some water. I will, Vinayak. In fact, I'm just going to say bye-bye to you guys because it's late in the night, and I'm going to catch you guys very, very soon. I use Gadiwala hashtag for my car reviews, and in fact, you should go over to my YouTube channel. Just type Ankit Vengurlekar or Gadgetwala, and you will see the Gadiwala review for Mahindra TUV 300 M-Hawk 100 engine के variant के साथ. I absolutely loved driving it. Go check out the review. And there's also the Maruti Vitara Brezza review, along with other cool tech articles. So check it out. It's on my website also, called thegadgetwala.in, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to take your leave now, and I really hope that you like this late night update of Apple Worldwide Developers Conference, Microsoft buying LinkedIn, and the brand new gaming console, which is Xbox One S. It's beginning to confuse me now. 1S, 1 Plus, X, OS, Mac OS. I think it's time I go to sleep. Thank you. And big love to all you Chumeshwari people who stayed up so late in the night and gave me company on this. All right? Head over to my YouTube channel to check out my latest videos. Adios, amigos. Thank you so much. Have a great Mangalwar. Mangala. Okay, bye. Good night.